Ashwini Vinay Venkatreddy Prashant, and proposed problem statement is explained by Harshit.
The wildlife system is designed to prevent snakes, mosquitoes, dogs entering into the houses, farms and public places. These animals can cause health risks and safety problems. This system uses safe, eco-friendly methods such as ultrasonic sound and manual repel to drive them away from the farms, and this it is making to minimal. It works automatically and requires minimal manual effect and making it cost effective and efficient solution. Solutions are chemical spray and electric fence. Chemical sprays are containing strong odors or irritate substance are used in repel animals and insects. These chemicals create an unpleasant smell or taste that prevents animals from entering farms or gardens. Electric fence is commonly used method to protect farms and gardens from the animals. When animals touch the fence, they release a small electric field shock which scares them and prevents them from entering the field.
Proposed solution. Animals entering the farms and gardens can damage the crops and property. An automatic system is needed to detect the animals and scare them away without causing harm. The proposed animal repellent system uses Arduino, buzzer and vibration alerts to repel the animals.
Hardware, battery, LCD, module, push buttons, buzzer, LED, vibration motor, transistor, breadboard, Arduino, resistor, 1K ohm resistor. Software, Arduino,
Working of the process. Power on the system using regulator 5 volt supply. Arduino on initialize the LCD buttons, buzzer and motor and transistors. System continuously checks the status of the animal selection button. Using the push buttons, when a push button is pressed, Arduino detects a low signal. Selected animal name is displayed on the LCD. Arduino generates a specific frequency signal through buzzer, dog, mosquito, snake, depending upon the frequency. Transistor acts as a switch to drive the buzzer and vibration motor safely. LCD turns on indicating the repellent mode is active. After a few seconds, buzzer and motor turns off automatically and system returns to the standby mode.
A simple and local design using Arduino, easy to operate with push buttons, control, low power consumption, safety and non-healthy method to repel animals, portable and suitable for farms, gardens and homes. Disadvantages are continuous high frequency and may causes disturbance to nearby pets, requires power supply for stable operations, current model works manually, no automatic detection.
The animal repellent system successfully demonstrates the use of buzzer, LED and vibration motor to repel different animals such as dogs, snakes and mosquitoes. The Arduino control system based on the user input and displays status on the LCD display. The model is low cost, portable and easy to use, making it suitable for homes, farms. It works efficiently as a basic prototype, and its performance can be improved in the future by adding automatic sensors and smart switches.